In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the paper size in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a personal project or handling professional tasks that require specific formatting, knowing how to adjust the paper size can be incredibly useful. Let's break down this process step by step so you can apply these changes effortlessly. To start, go ahead and open your Google Docs document. Whether it's a new draft or an ongoing project, you'll have the flexibility to adjust the paper size as needed. Once your document is open, you'll want to turn your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Now, locate the option labeled File. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you want to select Page Setup. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize various aspects of your document's layout. Once you click on Page Setup, a dialog box will appear. This box contains multiple configuration settings, but for now, let's focus on the paper size section. You'll see a drop-down menu in the Page Setup dialog labeled Paper Size. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll be presented with a range of paper size options to choose from. Common formats like A4, legal, and letter are all available in the list. Select the new paper size that suits your needs by clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, you'll want to apply these changes to your document. To do this, simply click OK at the bottom of the Page Setup dialog box. Your document will now automatically adjust to the new dimensions you've set. This flexibility allows you to tailor your document to various requirements, whether they're for academic purposes, a business presentation, or a personal project. But what if you find yourself using a particular paper size frequently? There's a handy option for you. If you'd like to set your chosen paper size as the default for all new documents moving forward, you can do so with a simple step. Before clicking OK, check the box labeled Set as Default. This will ensure that every new document you create in Google Docs starts with your preferred paper size, saving you time and effort in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the paper size in your Google Docs document. Remember, these settings won't affect previously created documents unless you manually adjust them, so feel free to apply these steps to any other documents you might have. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our guides for easy tips on mastering Google Workspace features.